In this video, I'll show you how to remove a specific variant in WooCommerce. As an example, let's take a look at a wooden table product on my site. As you can see, it comes in different sizes and multiple color options right here. So let's assume we need to remove the large size in gray color. In order to make this change, first we'll log into WordPress admin account, and then hover on products, then select all products. Now locate the product in question, in my case is this one, wooden table, then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at top right corner, click on Screen Options and set the checkmark for the product data. Now scroll a bit down until you find the product data section. As you can see, this product is a variable product, then select Variations. Right in here, look for the variation that you would like to delete. In my case is this one, large size, gray color, then select Remove. And once again, confirm the change. Now scroll all the way to the top and then select Update. Once the product was updated, go back to the website and try refreshing the product page. Okay, let's take a look. Let's select the large size. And for the color, the gray color option is not available. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please scan my channel. Thank you.